Welcome to Meniuu. In this learning path, you will discover how to build your own online ordering and delivery system without depending entirely on third party delivery platforms that charge high commissions. Instead of losing a large percentage of every order, your restaurant can create a more direct relationship with customers, receive orders through your own channels, and operate delivery in a way that gives you more control. One of the most important things to understand about this course is how it is structured. This learning path works across multiple connected dimensions. First, you will learn the customer side. You will learn how customers can find your restaurant and place orders directly with you through your website, your social media, or your Google business profile. Your customers do not need to download a separate app just to order from you. The idea is to let people order from the places where they already find your business. Second, you will learn the operational side inside the restaurant. Once an order is placed, your team needs a clear and organized way to receive it. Maybe you already use Meniuu for your restaurant operations, and that is great because online orders can fit directly into your workflow. But if you only want to use Meniuu for online orders and delivery, that also works. You can simply place a dedicated tablet at the counter so your staff can receive incoming orders without changing your entire operation right away. Third, you will learn how delivery fulfillment works. If you already have your own drivers, you can use them. But if you do not have drivers, that is not a problem. You can connect to a network of independent drivers and still offer delivery. When a delivery request becomes available, it can be visible to multiple connected drivers, and the one who is available can accept it. This creates a more flexible way to fulfill delivery without requiring the restaurant to build its own fleet from the beginning. Fourth, you will understand how all of these parts work together as one connected system. This is not only about receiving an online order, it is about creating a complete flow where the customer finds you, places the order easily, your team receives it clearly, the kitchen prepares it efficiently, and the order is delivered in a more organized way. That is why this learning path should be understood as a connected model, not as a single feature. On the customer side, the goal is convenience. The customer should be able to see your menu clearly, understand what you offer, choose their items easily, and complete payment without friction. On the restaurant side, the goal is operational clarity. Your team should not feel overwhelmed by too many disconnected tablets, devices, or systems. You will explore whether it makes sense to integrate Meniuu into your broader operation, or whether it is better for your restaurant to begin with a simpler setup, such as using one additional tablet for online orders only. On the delivery side, the goal is flexibility and fairness. If you work with your own employed drivers, that is one path. If you work with independent drivers, there should still be a transparent system that makes sense for everyone involved. Delivery fees can be defined in a clearer and more collaborative way based on distance and local reality, so the customer understands the cost, the driver receives a fair payment, and the restaurant maintains a more sustainable model. Throughout this learning path, you will also understand how notifications, order flow, and handoff points work. You will see how the order is received, how the kitchen or counter team is informed, how delivery gets assigned, and how the full experience can be managed more smoothly. This is what makes online orders and delivery inside Meniuu different. It is not just about adding delivery, it is about helping your restaurant build a direct, organized, and more independent ordering system that connects discovery, ordering, operations, and fulfillment in one complete flow. Let's begin.